A. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. So in this video, going to discuss about the case study, which is implementation of a two-factor authentications. So let us see the background of the company. So ABC Bank is a leading financial institution with a robotics online banking platforms serving under millions of customers globally. With the increasing the threats of the cyber track and the differentiation in the identifying the theft, the bank recognized the need of the enhancing security measures to safeguard customers' account and transactions. After through the research and analysis, the bank decided to implement two-factor authentication, that is 2FA, as additional layers of security for its online banking platform. Let us see the objective of the theme. So, enhance the security of customers' accounts and transaction. Next, reduce the risk of the unauthorized access and fraud. Next, maintain the streamlines and user-friendly online banking experience of customers. So, by this, they were implemented the measures and they were discussed the platforms. So implementing process, research and planning, development and testing, communications and educations, and by this monitoring the optimizations. Research and planning, the bank conducted the extensive research on various 2FA method and their stability for the online banking platform. After the careful consideration, it decided to implement a combination of SMS based OTP, one time password, and authentication app based on authentication methods. Next step is development and testing. The bank IT team worked closely with the security experts and software developers to integrate the 2FA features into the existing online banking platform. For recognizing and testing was conducted to ensure the compatibility across the different devices and the operating system, as well as to identify the and mitigate the potential duplications. So next is communication and education. So after the bank launches the comprehensive communication education to the customers about the upcoming changes and the importance to 2FA in securing their accounts. This included the email notification, websites, banners, and interactions, video, and demonstrating how to set up the use of 2FA. Next, monitoring and optimization. Following the results, banks continuously monitor the effectiveness of the 2FA implications through the metrics such as login successfully rate, customer feedback, and identify the frauds. By monitoring continuously, any issues are occurring or accessibility or it is potentially addressed through the software updates and improvements to the user interface. We'll see like they are monitoring. Then results. Now we'll see the results, how come it is favorable to the company. So improve the security, the results are improve the security, reduce the fraud, and positive customer feedback, and is seamless user experience. So now we see the conclusion about uh, the implementation of the 2FA. The implementation of two-factor authentication 2FA in ABC Bank's online banking platform has proven to be a successful platform, achieving the dual objective of enhancing security and maintaining the seamless user experience. So, in what are the results they have found? It's nothing but they improved the security, reduced fraud, positive customer feedback, and user experience. So the implementation of 2FA significantly enhanced the security of the customer account and transaction, making it much more difficult for unauthorized individual to gain the access. The incidents of frauds activities such as unauthorized transactions and account takeover decreased and noticed the following introduction to the 2FAs. Though it is initially concerned about the usability and inconvenience, then majority of the customers welcomed the and added the security provided by the 2FA. Many appreciated the approaches and taken by the banks to protect their customers. So this is the how they were maintained by prioritizing through the research and survey, effective communication and continuous monitoring. The bank was able to mitigate the security risk while earning the trust and satisfaction of its customers. It has achieved its goal. So by this, we can understand how the bank can make very comfortable to the customers. At the same time, they will be very safe and secure transaction. Thank you.